Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're taking a look at the best Jurassic World Blue Costume available, the Disguise Kids Jurassic World Classic Blue Costume. This officially licensed Jurassic World Blue Costume allows your child to become one of the most iconic dinosaurs. The Velociraptor, just like Blue from the movie. The costume includes a textured foam removable headpiece and tail for added comfort and play. Made of 100% polyester fabric for durability. Easy to wear with a hook and loop closure. Inspired by the Jurassic Park movie with realistic design and artwork. Available in various sizes for a perfect fit. Hand washes only for easy maintenance. The costume features a metallic blue pattern covering the jumpsuit, headpiece, and tail. It secures at the back with hook and loop fasteners, making it easy for kids to put on and take off. This costume is perfect for Halloween, dress-up parties, or simply playing pretend at home. The Disguise Kids Jurassic World Classic Blue Costume stands out as the best in the market due to its high-quality fabric, realistic design, and comfortable fit. Kids love the attention to detail and how they can embody their favorite dinosaur character with this costume. If you're looking for the perfect Jurassic World Blue costume for your child, look no further than the Disguise Kids Jurassic World Classic Blue Costume. With its official design, high-quality materials, and easy-to-wear features, this costume is sure to be a hit with any young dinosaur enthusiast. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.